everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make s'mores ice cream cake. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you are going to need one container, which is 48 ounces of vanilla ice cream, and you want that to be softened, so I've just sat mine out for a little while. Then you need one container of marshmallow cream, but you want to make sure it's the 13 ounce. Most of them are 7, so make sure that you get that 13 ounce. Then you need graham crackers. I'm going to use about 10 whole graham crackers and then some more for garnishing on the top. And then you need 1 cup of chocolate, some kind of sauce, any kind that you want. I'm going to use the Hershey syrup. So first, let's go ahead and line a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with plastic wrap. And we are going to just arrange the first layer of graham crackers down here. This plastic wrap does not want to stay up, but make sure there is an overhang so you can get it back up. You want your plastic wrap to kind of go to the top because this dessert is going to go to the top. So go ahead and do that, and you can see you can break them up. So I used about 2.5 for this first layer. And then next, let's get out a big bowl. Right, so now in a big bowl, I put my ice cream in here, and I'm going to stir it with a spatula with the marshmallow cream. So go ahead and add that in with it and just try to mix it up as best you can. Alright, I think that is mixed pretty good, so I am going to go ahead and place 1/3 of this mixture on top of my graham cracker crust. Okay, I feel like that's 1/3. I had a little mishap right here with my plastic, but I was able to fix it. So now let's go ahead and do our second layer of graham crackers. Alright, now we are ready for our second layer of the ice cream marshmallow fluff mixture. Okay, now do your third layer of graham cracker crust. Okay, now our final layer of ice cream. Alright, now it's time for our final layer of graham crackers. Okay, now my top layer is done. As you can see, there's a lot more graham crackers on the top layer. It just works out that way because of the way the loaf pan is made. So I'm going to cover this, and we have to freeze it for 6 hours to overnight. Okay, my dessert has been in the freezer all night, so I just removed the top layer of plastic wrap, and I am going to hopefully turn this over into this serving dish here, and then you can remove the other plastic. Okay, mine did need a little help coming out, but all I did was took a butter knife around the edge, and then it popped free, and then I removed my plastic wrap. So next we are going to drizzle our chocolate sauce all over the top, and then put the crushed graham crackers on top of that. Alright, that is all ready to go, and it looks delicious. So let's cut into it and see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back and see us again.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back and see us again.
Bye.
I like it.